Forecast.
You know, those gusty winds we dealt with today caused some blowing and drifting of snow at Afton, and you can see some of that snow blowing around there from Kenneth Johnston. Of course, it was a very cold start this morning. It will be even colder tomorrow morning, but we'll have less wind. But some of those wind gusts were topping over 30 miles an hour at times. That means some of those wind chills are even sub-zero. 30 is our current number at the airport, only touching 34 for a high today, but it feels like it's in the mid-20s with just a little bit of a light wind. Already 22 at the Valley Airport in Weir's Cave. Look at these dew point numbers. Again, that's very dry air. That's a good indication of where some of the morning lows will bottom out tonight with much lighter wind. And you can see the numbers at this hour are generally from the 20s to around 30 degrees, and we're headed into the single digits and low teens across the region. So it's a frigid start here for Friday morning, followed by a little bit of sun in the morning, and then the clouds quickly overtake the region. Temperatures in the low and mid 30s. We'll have a little bit of a light south wind. We're dry during the day for Friday, but by tomorrow night, shortly after this time and beyond, we should start to see some light snow developing on the southwestern horizon. At this time, Buckingham County is under a winter weather advisory. I do expect more counties will be added to an advisory category. This does appear that there'll be a little bit more snow south of the James River, especially as you get along the Route 460 corridor from Lynchburg and out toward Richmond. Again, the European model all week has shown a light accumulation across our portion of the Commonwealth. The American GFS has highlighted that as well, with a lot more farther to our south. So it does appear this will be a light event, lesser amounts than what we saw on Sunday night and Monday. So at this time, for our general area, expecting generally anywhere from a dusting to maybe up to 1 to 2 inches of snowfall. I think higher amounts could be realized down toward Buckingham, out toward Nelson, down toward Farmville, Lynchburg, and out toward Richmond. And of course, the light snow falling will certainly have an impact on travel late tomorrow night and early Saturday. But it's a small window of when this hits, because by daybreak on Saturday, the snow is gone. We'll have breezy conditions, clearing skies. Both this weekend, we should feature temperatures above freezing, so we'll get some melting. Of course, those overnight lows will be plenty cold, so we'll have to deal with a refreeze. Things are quiet now. Clouds will start to fill in more so tomorrow, as the storm that we're watching is basically right to the east of Houston along the Texas coast. You can see the snow breaking out from Little Rock and back toward Oklahoma. Area of low pressure here will kind of do a number just like this as it makes a run toward the Carolina coast. On the northern edge of that will be impacted late tomorrow night, early Saturday. But this will be more of a bigger event for areas like Charlotte and Atlanta, back toward Knoxville and Memphis and Little Rock. And again, we'll see some light snow late tomorrow night and very pre-dawn early Saturday. So here we are in the morning, a frigid start, single digits and teens. There comes the clouds, but dry during the day. And then tomorrow night, especially after 8, 9 o'clock, there's our light snow, kind of intermittent after midnight with the steadier snow farther off to our south and east. And by daybreak Saturday, the snow's out of here. We'll have temperatures in the 20s. It's clearing. It's breezy. Temperatures in the mid to upper 30s for Saturday afternoon. But a frigid night tonight under mostly clear skies, 6 to 13, but the wind will be lighter. And then the clouds thicken up quickly tomorrow. We'll watch that quick hit of snow tomorrow night, pre-dawn Saturday. The weekend otherwise looks good. Temperatures will remain below average. Our really warm day next week is Monday as we climb into the 40s before the next front knocks those temperatures down once again.
All right, Eric. Thank you.
Well, Virginia drivers